Hello, today's tutorial is to create basic steel structure. Let's get started with architecture template. Let me prepare some grids. Oops. I'm going to create a few grids. And some more. Okay. Let's locate steel column first. Let's go to structure tab and choose column and the load family. Go up folder and open Japan folder. Well, there is one folder named steel column. Double click and steel, and let's open square steel column, and then you can choose the size of column. So I'm going to choose 200 by 200 by 12. Click OK. And now I'm opening level 1. So I should choose height and up to level 2. And let's click on the grids. Let's check how it looks. I'm going to open south elevation. And I cannot see columns. So I'm going to choose visible setting with medium. Here you go. Okay, and I want to check 3D view as well. Okay, it looks nice. So let's go back to floor plans. So second step is to create a steel beam. Let's open file level 1 ceiling plans for second floor steel beams. Okay, let's go to structure tab, and there is a beam button underneath structure tab and the load family. Then there is one folder named structure frame and steel. Okay, I am going to choose H-shape steel beam. Open. Well, I'm going to choose this one, and maybe this one. So if you want to choose more than one size, you should choose with control button. so that uh, you can choose several types of beam. Click OK. So I'm going to choose 400 by 200 by 8 by 13, and the placement level is level 2, and let's choose girder, and let's choose multiple on grids, drag and drag and drop, drag, drag and drop, and finish. Okay, so I'm going to modify visibility setting in order to show steel beams. Hit escape tab and visibility and scroll down. Okay, so let's check structure framing. Okay. Oh, it's still something weird. It's like single lines, so I'm going to choose medium. Okay, it looks nice. Let's check with 3D view. It's perfect. If you want to delete some steel beams, just click it and press delete button. Okay, let's go back to ceiling plans, and I want to change the level of steel beam for concrete slab. So from here to drag and drop and press filter and check steel column. So now only steel framing. Press OK. And I want to make them the top of the beam set -200. This one also -200. Press apply. Let's check with south elevation. Okay, so the top level has just moved with 200. Let's go back to ceiling plans and add some more small beams. Let's go to beam system and choose small beam, and justification should be center, and layout rule. Okay, let's make a rule with maximum spacing 3000, and let's check 3D. Okay, so now if you want to make this way, move to this cursor button near here, or if you want to make the other side, move your mouse cursor button here. So just click. Okay, click. And I want to change distance to 1000. This way. This way. And okay, let's check 3D with 3D view. Okay, it looks fine. Let's go back to the ceiling plan. Let's go to beam system again. And let's check, uncheck with 3D. And left click. And I'm going to show you the difference with 3D check and uncheck 3D. Okay, now if you uncheck 3D, this small beam doesn't follow the existing level of the beam. So make sure when you make small beams, just click 3D as well. Okay, let's undo and go back to ceiling plan and make steel beam correctly with the check. Okay. And if you want to adjust the beam, just unclick it and move, or press start, press start, press start, and choose beam system and press remove beam system. So each of them can be moved like this. Okay, that's all about making basic steel structure. Thank you for watching and see you next time.